How to replace a Craftsman tractor drive belt. Figuring out what is wrong with your Craftsman mower can be confusing. After inspecting the tractor, the most common problem you'll find is that the drive belt is broken. If this is the case, your Craftsman lawn tractor won't engage into drive. Replacing the drive belt is simple and requires no tools, only your hands. Replacing the belt takes only a few minutes and saves money and technician costs. Things you will need: Craftsman lawn tractor, new drive belt. Move the height adjust lever located to the left of the driver's seat to its lowest cutting position. Look at the section just above the mower deck's left side to find two pulleys, circular plastic pieces with a belt running through their centers above the mower deck's center region. These are the stationary idler and clutching idler. Remove the belt from those pulleys. Unwrap the belt from the rear axle pulley, which is the pulley between the rear tires. Move to the right side of the tractor. Two more pulleys with a belt attached are noticeable. Remove the belt from those pulleys. The belt is no longer connected to the trailer, so you can carefully pull it out from underneath the deck. Place the new belt around the rear axle pulley between the rear tires. The belt must fit snugly around the center of the rear axle pulley. Wrap the belt around the stationary idler and the clutching idler, the center pulleys on the left side. Wrap the belt around the pulleys on the right side of the deck. Tips: warnings. Review the owner's manual to make sure you purchase the correct belt. Unplug the battery terminal so that the motor doesn't turn on while you're working on the repair.